going on, everybody? So first off, welcome back to the channel. I got a bit of work to do today. So the Jaguar is in the garage right now, and as you can see, it's up. It's up on the wheel ramps. So what I'm going to be doing today is, let's see if we can get under here and show you. So dual exhaust, right? Pretty rusted. As you can see, it's pretty rusted under here. I used to live in New Jersey, and they would treat the roads up there for the winters with brine, like a salt water solution. They may use something else on the road, I don't know, but this hanger has rusted through, and there's a hole in my exhaust line, right? Don't get me wrong, I mean, it makes it sound absolutely amazing, but that hole is not supposed to be there. So what I have is the replacement. So hopped on eBay, found one. I'm about to open this bad boy up and see what we got. I just gotta find something to open it with real quick. Hold on. All right, got my blade. That's a hook. That's what I need right there. And let's see what we got. Feel like a doctor doing surgery. I wrapped it up pretty good. I'll give him that. Uh-oh. All right, how about we just lay this down? How about that? Kind of tough to do this with one hand, but yeah. Oh yeah, I'm an Eagles fan. Wasn't a good year for us. It's all right. It's quite all right. Unlike the Cowboys, I think we'll get them next year. Cowboys say that like every year. You understand, living down here in Louisiana, like northern Louisiana, is basically cowboy country. So like everybody and their mom pulls for LSU and the Cowboys. Like, be loyal at least to your state. That's crazy. But tis what it is. Oh shit. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. I'll be back. I shouldn't be breathing hard already. I'm out of shape a bit. But hey, I'll be right back. All right, got it open. Looking it over real quick. I mean, yeah, it's rusted, but it's not as rusted as mine. Overall, it's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Flip it over. Yeah, overall looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and let the fun begin. I'm gonna try and have this done before the game comes on this afternoon, so we'll see. Let's do it. Hey, so I want to show step by step how I do it, but I like to work with music, and I know for a fact YouTube will ban the music. Tell you what, I'll do the step by step. I'll record as best I can, and then I guess I'll edit out the music. Maybe I could do that, but we'll see. Stand by. All right, so check it. I got my setup right. So basically, this will be removing this, which I just sized up. It's a 15 millimeter. So remove that. This hanger here, and then this hanger here, which isn't even going to be a factor because it's disconnected already. So I'll get that hanger out. And then there's a hanger here. Let me get some light. All right, there's a hanger right there on the muffler. Actually, I think I take that back. Let me see. Actually, correction. It's this hanger here, and then this hanger here that isn't really a factor because it's off of the joint. It's off of the pipe. This hanger here holds the rest of it. Holds the rest of the exhaust pipes that go to the front of the vehicle. So really it's just this bolt and the hangers. All right, so I'm gonna get on that now. I'm switching over to the GoPro to at least film it. Like I said, my music will be playing in the background. I'll probably edit that out because it's a mixture of rap and then, you know, some Michael Jackson or whatever. I'm a Michael Jackson fan. Say what you want about the man. The man was a legend. But here we go. All right, as you can see, I got it out. It took a lot. I actually had to run to the store and go get some WD-40 because, or actually it's not WD-40, it's like a penetrating fluid. It dissolves rust. So some Lucas penetrating oil is what I went and got. It actually dissolves rust and it's a lubricant as well. So went and got some of that. As you can see, there's some overspray. Whatever. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy because that was some hard work. The clamp broke off, which I didn't care because the new one came with a clamp. Let me grab some gloves because this is kind of filthy. Anyway, oh God, hold on, put you guys down. All right. Mangled that a bit, trying to separate it. You know, I pried it open to loosen it up off of the pipe. And then it was a lot of twisting and pulling. But that whole interior, where's my flashlight? It's over there. So this whole interior was rusted on there pretty good. All right, new one is about to go on now. Stay tuned. Wish me luck. So there you have it. Done deal. I am freaking exhausted. I think I'm going in for a little bit. I'm probably gonna go ahead and watch a little bit of the game. I think I don't know who has the first game today. The Chiefs, maybe. I think the Chiefs have the first game. I'm gonna watch the first game, maybe. I definitely want to get out and watch these cars, especially the Jaguar. It looks like crap. The vet looks like crap too. I just want to put a nice shine on it. Oh my God, I got bags under my eyes. This is what happens when you get up first thing in the morning and you just don't prep. You just get up and go. I'm tired. So y'all be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, holla at your boy, Melt. All right, so my bad. I forgot to even post the finishing of the exhaust. So this isn't the same day as the repair, but here's what it looks like now. So, I mean, there we go. I mean, it lined up pretty good. And then, there we go. All done. Right? All done. Everything's good and tight. That one looks like crap. That one looks like new crap. Done deal. All right?